Let's go to the field first, girls. Girls, wait. Wait till we get across the street. Ginger, wait till we get across the street. Come on. Let's go to the woods. Ginger, let's go to the woods. Ginger, let's go to the woods first. Go around this tree. Hold on. Wait. Here we go. Come on, girls. Girls, come on. Come on. This girl, she's just like them puppies. I can't keep them out of the water. Look at her. She just took off on me. Because she knew I was going to make her get out and make her walk with me. That's why. She said, I'm going to take off so Mama can't catch me. Now, guys, they're not hurting each other. They're just loud players. Very vocal. Very vocal. I will not allow my dogs to fight. No, no, no. Whatever. Oh. Y'all be careful of rats and holes. Oh. Zena getting fast when she like spins around. Watch when she turns, how she makes her back half turn real quick. Come on, we gotta get back. Come on, girls. We gotta get back so the boys can come out. Come on. Before it starts really raining. Ginger, get down. What? Ginger, get down. You don't do that. Let's go. You stand with her sister. Okay, let's go. Let's go. What are you doing, Ginger? Quick, guys. Come on, let's go. Hurry, it's raining. Let's go, it's raining. We gotta get back before it starts pouring down. Come on, you get all muddy. Come on. Hold on, let me say this because Zena, she loves to sleep with her mama in her bed. So, if she wants to lay with me, she better hurry up and get out of this wet rain. Come on. Ginger, what are you doing? Come on, let's go. Ginger, come on. Get down, you can't ride on her. Come on, come on. Ginger, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ginger, what are you doing? Whatever. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Before it rains too much. Come on, Mama might melt. Just joking. Ginger, come on, let's go. Oh, it looks like lightning or something. Or Maybe the wind just blew it down because it looked like it was just ready to fall off the tree. Come on. Hey, you two, come on. Come on, hurry up. Come on. Come on, you two, come on. Come on. Come on, hurry, it's raining. Or it's sprinkling. Oh, goodness. Alrighty. Guys, give us a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about them two playing around. Thank you, and see you later.